Okay, Harim, start writing A.
A,
Aiza, don't do this.
A,
A. Small A. What is the sound of A?
A,
A.
A,
A.
A,
A.
A,
B.
B,
B.
B,
B. B.
B, B,
Harim, what is the sound of B? B. B.
B,
B.
B,
B.
B,
B.
B,
And what is the next letter? What is the next letter?
C,
Very good. Right, C. Right. Very nice. Good job. Great. Okay. Tell me what is the sound of C? C.
C,
K.
K,
C. K. Cake.
C,
C. K. Cake.
K, K,
Nice. Okay. Come on. The next letter. What is the next letter? What is the next letter? A. B. C.
D,
D. That's great. Okay, right. Right. Hurry up.
D,
Erase it and then write D. Very nice. D. D.
D,
D. D.
D,
D. D. Okay.
D,
Make a loop. Make a loop of D. Better write. Write. Stop. Stop. Stop writing. Stop writing. Make a loop like this. Okay. Okay. Aiza, don't make a noise. Keep quiet. Haya, Ayan, and Mutasim, don't talk. Do your work, okay? What you writing? Harim? What you writing?
F,
F. Nice. Okay. What is the sound of F? Look here.
G,
The sound of F is F. 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 Okay? Okay, come on the next letter. What is the next letter? What you writing, Harim? What you writing?
G,
G. What you writing?
G,
Nice. Okay, right. 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 That's great. My God, Harim, you're a very good girl. Nice. Small G. Very good. Okay, nice. What is the next letter? What is the okay? Tell me first. What is the sound of G?
A, B,
What is the sound of G?
D, E, F, G, H,
What is the sound of G? G. 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 G.
G,
G.
G,
Okay. Okay. What is the next letter?
H,
H.
A,
Not H. H.
H,
And what is the sound of H? H. 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 Okay? Right. Ayan and Haya, stop talking. What I'm saying to you, Ayan? H. And the next letter is I. Don't write I like this, okay? Stop. Stop, Harim. Don't write like this, okay? We write it like a straight line. We don't make the sleep lines, we just make a straight one, okay? And this is called I, okay? And what is the sound of I? The sound of I is I-E, okay?
I,
Yes. Okay, come on the next letter. What is the next letter?
but
I. No, no. Come on the next letter. I. What is come after I? I. J.
J,
J, right. Right, J. Here. Yeah, come down. Yes. Yes, right, right. Start writing.
G.
Yes. Don't make a sleep line. Stop, stop, stop. Write small g. Small j. Small j. Yes, yes. Nice. Okay, make a dot. Here, here, here. Put a dot. Yes. Nice, nice. Okay. What is the next letter?
K.
What is the next letter? Yes, K. Very good, Harim. You're a good girl. Doing great job. Small k.
Small K.
Yes. Very nice. Okay. What is the next letter? What is come after K? What is the next letter?
L.
Nice. Okay, right. Right. Haya, you stop talking, okay?
L.
Nice. Okay. Write it properly. Write it. Erase it and then write it properly. No, beta. Okay, come on the next letter. What is the next letter? L.
L. M.
M. Very nice. Right. Very nice. Great. And write small m. Okay, nice.
M.
Nice. N. And what is the next letter?
O.
Oh, wow. And what is the sound of O? O, O.
O. O.
Nice. Great. Come down. What is the next letter?
S.
No.
P.
Yes. Great.
Q.
Yes, Q. And the sound of Q is Q, K. Q, K. Okay?
Stupid sound.
Yes.
Stupid.
No, nothing.
R.
No. Make it properly. First, give me the pencil. Give me the pencil. Write it like this, okay? Make a line downwards and then make a loop like this, okay? You write. Next letter.
L.
Q.
R.
Yes. Write R. Nice. No, don't write like this. This is not the proper way, okay? We write R like this, okay? And what is the last and the next letter?
Mm. S.
S. Good.
S. S.
Yes. Great. Very good, Harim. You're a good girl. You doing very good job, okay? Great.